So I'm wondering how many vegans actually know that this is accidentally vegan. It's i.e. it's all plant-based. So if you didn't know, I'm going to show you how good this is. So first thing you need to do is peel this little sticker off. And then out comes the dough like that. Don't forget to wash your hands. Then, so easy. Split it up into 6 pieces, like so. Just like that. Get the chocolate. And then put 2 pieces at either end, like so. Honestly, this is so easy that even me, who's a useless cook, can make these. Okay, once you've done that, just roll up halfway on each side. 1, 2. I'm going to speed this up. There you go. 6 chocolate croissants ready to go in the oven. Just to show you that it is vegan friendly. Let's put the ingredients on there. Okay, so it's got wheat, sugar, soya, no eggs, no cow's milk. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, it looks like they're ready. Let's check. Be careful. Let's take it out. Oh, they look lovely. And there we go. Easy as anything. If I can make them, you guys certainly can. Okay, thanks for watching.